Welcome back, guys. Okay, I hope you've completed the task I've given you yesterday, the one about making the game over scenario. But before we do that, let's teach you how to put a background in your game. All right? Okay, so on the bottom right of the screen, there is this area called stage. Okay, currently the backdrop is white in color. We're going to add a new background. Okay, click on the button, the green button here, choose a backdrop. Okay, there's many and backgrounds available. You can choose any. Let me just have a look through. What should I put? Perfect. I'll choose this one, neon tunnel. Okay, looks better, doesn't it? Let's give it a go. Okay, all right, so it's working. Background is working. Okay, so stay on for the next video where I teach you how to do the game over scenario.